Hello everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you that how you can book your Qatar Airways ticket online, without involving any agent. First of all, you need to write Qatar Airways on your browser, and click the first link. This is the official website of Qatar Airways. On the Book a Flight tab, you will see three options: return, one-way, multi-city. Select the option you need. I am selecting the return option. Now put your from into locations and enter your departure and return dates. Enter number of passengers. Select your class and click on search flights. Now you will see different flight schedules. Select the flight that suits you the best. Once you select the flight, it will show you the details of that specific class. Click on select fare. It will now show you the return flight schedule. Again, select the one that suits you the best. The website will also show you the comparison between different tickets. Select the one you want by clicking select fare. You will be asked to log in to earn Avios. I will make a separate video about the Avios. Enter the traveler's information like title, gender, first name, last name, date of birth, nationality, and then click on save and continue. I am entering a dummy data. Now click on continue to contact details. Enter the contact details and then click on choose seats and add-ons. I am now clicking on continue as a guest. I will make a separate video regarding joining the Privilege Club, its benefits and usage. This window will now show you the seat selection. You can select the seat you want. Please keep in mind, the seat selection is not always free. You can select the seats from the available options: extra leg room, preferred, standard, bassinet, etc. This window will now show you the option of add-ons including extra luggage, executive lounges at the airport, meet and greet, etc. Each add-on will have an additional cost. Click on continue to proceed towards the last stage. Now the system will show you a trip summary. Verify the details and proceed towards the payment. The payment can be made through credit card, debit card, cash, Avios. You can also hold your booking by paying a little amount. Once you make a payment, you will receive a confirmation email from Qatar Airways along with a soft copy of your ticket. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask through the comment section.